Today its topic is drop down. Okay. The drop down should have, not should have, some of the times it have the tag name as select. See, this tag name as select. Okay. When it's have the select tag, then only we will want to use some other codings. Okay. See the another drop downs. For example, here, for this drop down, it is not having that command. Okay. Especially for this, it is having the separate view. Okay. Like here, it's have step-by-step drop downs. For example, if you once you click on this, here you can able to particularly inspect the separate elements. Okay. But here, once it's open, if you are going to select a Cypress, you want to click on this means then it will close. Okay. Here you can't able to click the separate drop down. Please remember that whenever the tag is having select, that select tag is separate. When the tag does not having the select tag, then you can able to have the separate drop down clearly. Then by this using this address, by this front end coding, we can able to click straightly by the dot click. But for this, it's a separate operation is there. Okay. Please listen carefully. So here we are trying to click the Cypress. Okay. So for that Cypress, here a select is a tag and any attribute value you can take. Okay. For example, here I'm opening one new class. Name it as like a drop down itself. Okay, click on this publish requirement and then click finish button. Once a new place came, here the same line WebDriver driver equal to new EdgeDriver. Everywhere there is the error it will show. You want to place the mouse pointer on there, just place the mouse pointer. Then it will show the import. You click on this import. Okay. Here also the error will show, place the mouse pointer and give, otherwise give a control spacebar. And the dialog box will open. Okay. And then there the first thing you want to click on it. Okay. And then the variable you are using driver.get. Inside this driver.get, you want to paste the URL. Okay. Give one maximize command that is useful for you. driver.manage.window.maximize. Okay. After this maximize, you want to click on this drop down and you want to choose first you want to choose a Selenium. Okay. After we will choose Cypress. Okay. First we want to choose a Selenium. For choosing a Selenium, there is a select tag here. If you once see this select tag here, you want to go to the coding and you want to enter that select, name it as yes, okay, equal to new select. Okay. Just whenever you are seeing that select tag, you want to give this select, name it as yes, and as well as new select. Okay, here you want to give, see, whenever the error is showing like this, you want to place a mouse pointer like this, and then the drop down it will show. You want to click on this import. Okay. I will come. Okay. So here you want to write that driver dot find element and by dot here which is available. Here your ID is not available, name is not available. So we want to go ahead with the XPath. Okay. So give control F, sorry. Give control F and then take this class and then attribute and value. And as per our syntax, double slash, tag name is select, square bracket, at, and attribute value. Okay. And it should be in single quotes. Okay. Now it's showing one of one. So it's indicating a separate view also. So we want to use this XPath there. By.xpath, inside this XPath, give a double quotes, and you want to paste it here. And you want to give semicolon. Okay. And by calling this yes again, yes dot here select by index, select by value, select by visible text. Okay. First we see what is by select by index. Okay. Select by index means we want to give a number. Okay. Here, how many drop downs are showing here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 drop downs are showing. But you want to calculate this select tool also. Okay, totally 5 drop downs are showing. You are giving here as a number as, for example, 3. For example, here you are giving the number as 3. Then what it will come? Correct. Playwright or otherwise what it will come? Always here the number will start with 0. Okay, the select tool is a default thing. It will start as a 0 and player and Selenium as 1 and playwright is 1. Sorry, 2 and Piptor is 3. So when we are giving it as a 3, then this element will come. Okay, now we are giving it as a 2 means then playwright will come. Okay. So take it as a 2. Now the playwright will come. Okay. In select by index, you want to give the number. For example, why this Thread.sleep we are giving?
Stay in that sorry. जो हमने ड्रॉप डाउन अभी नीचे किया है उसको वो 2 seconds के लिए
दिखाने के लिए इसका वेट करने के लिए ठीक है 2 seconds it will wait. Okay, and we are while we're giving this Thread.sleep and then call that yes again and give select by value. Okay, here we are going to give a value that is showing as a string. So always string will comes in double quotes. Here we have given double quotes. So here it's having the all the address. Okay. But here there's no value. Why? Because value equal to there should be tag like this. For example, while we're clicking a create a new account, here three drop-downs are available. Okay. While we're clicking this February as a right click and then click on inspect, it's having the same tag as select, and here it will show as a value equal to value equal to. Okay. Once the value equal to it's showing, there only you want to copy this text and then you want to paste it here. Okay. If the select by value is not giving anything else, then you don't want to use this. Okay. You want to use it as a s dot select by visible text. Okay, here visible text is there. What is we will select the visible text, we will see. Select by visible text means this is the black color they have given Selenium, the playwright, everything they have given now. Here the Selenium is there. You copy this Selenium and then you can able to paste it here. Okay. Now, as per our coding, the 2 is the thing, the playwright will come, and then after by select by visible text, the Selenium, by the Selenium text will come. Okay. I'm running this. First playwright came, and then Selenium came. Okay. So we can able to choose anything like playwright, like Selenium, like Cyrus, anything else by the using that select by index and select by visible text.
मतलब दोनों में से
कुछ भी यूज करते हैं, अपने को जो जरूरत पड़ रहा है वो यूज करिए। यही यूज करना चाहिए ऐसा करके कोई भी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस नहीं है, अपने को जो अवेलेबल है उससे यूज कर सकते हैं। Select by index or select by visible text. Okay. So select by value is a thing that you want to choose the element. Here the value is equal to something should be there. Like for example, if you inspect this, here the value is indicating as 1, 2 like this. Okay. Here anything is available that only you want to give on the select by value. Okay. Now take it as a task. By this URL, you want to, before you want to choose you want to take this URL and then click on the create a new account straightly and have this open this page, and then here click on this 27 anything else and click on this month and click on this year. Okay. Now take it as a task and then do it. Now. And this here, the month, the day should be in select by index. Okay, in your task, the day should be in a select by index, and then this February should be in the select by visible text. Okay, select by visible text, and this 2024 should be in a value. Okay, first is index, second is visible text, and third is value. Like this, you choose this and then take it as a task and complete it. We will see tomorrow.